Hi everyone and welcome. In this video we have as Spocket. This is the best dropshipping supplier and it is available in US and EU products. Now before we dive in, there's a link in the description that you can access to simply get the extended free trial as well as exclusive benefits and rewards on this platform. So dropshipping is really in nowadays, and creating amazing stores and upfronts are going to be really providing you something that could perform out there. And if you want to discover top dropshipping supplier of original US and EU products, so this is the final destination for you. So you can even try the products yourself, connect your online store with ease, and discover dropshipper supplier with fast shipping. So a lot of features to be offered. And if you are unsure about dropshipping, it is basically customer purchases product from your online store, then their order goes directly to your suppliers, and your suppliers ship the product to your customer, and you keep the profit from retail price. So it is basically something that you sell. Basically, you resell someone else storage products, and you earn the retail from the price. So to do that, Spocket provides you amazing set of features, and it have some integrations like, for example, Shopify. Now you know how big Shopify is, how reliable it is. So something you should definitely try out. And most amazing thing about this is it also have integration with Alibaba, so you can have your products in variety and bulk as well. Now their pricing and plans is also something that you should keep in mind. So the smarter package starts from $39. We have a Pro, Empire, and Unicorn. So you can go for whatever suits the best for your business. Now, if you're still unsure about the platform, you can head over to official Shopify, and here we have a lot of reviews about this product. So you can see people are saying, and they have to say, I love the variety of products, options to have USA made shipped, and that I don't have to keep my own inventory. It has made launching my own online store much lower cost and simple to do. Not only that, we have much more, so go through this and get your peace of mind. So yeah, make sure to try this platform out as Pocket using the link in the description to get extended free trial as well exclusive benefits and rewards. So thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.